Alright, so in this video we are going to learn how to do the edit features, so we can change the value of the column of this patient. So first of all, from the previous video we have created this data, which is the patient for the first doctor, and as we already created, there are four columns on this patient models, and what we want to change is the patient name over here. So Django has provided us the views to update the fields of the models. It is this update view on the Django.views.generic.edit modules, and what we have to specify in this class-based view is the model name, which is the patient, and also the fields that we want to change. In this case, we just want to change the patient name because the doctor should be fixed, and also the waiting status would be updated by the other button. Alright, so another variable that we need to define on this class-based view is the template name suffix, which is the update form, and also we can define the success URL variable, so when the update is successful we can go to this page again. So for example, here I have this as the home page, and then I try to edit, change the name, and when the update is successful we go back to this page. Alright, so here is the edit page. The URL for editing is this one, so we specify the primary key or the ID of the patient and then slash edit like this. So if you pay attention here, we have this 22 is the ID of this patient, and this is for editing, the URL for editing the records. Okay, so here is the HTML file for updating the form. If you remember that here we add the suffix update form here, so we can see here, so the suffix is for specifying this one, and in here we, for the content block, we put a form to get the input from the user, and this form will give the value that is written by the user to Django, and Django will change the value on the database. So it works like that. We also need to make the patient form like this. Okay, so that's it for the edit feature. We just need to specify this URL, and then this class-based view we can specify the fields that we want to change. So for example, if I add here, I add waiting status, we can see that there is new field over here to be updated, but in this case we just want to change the patient name. Okay, so that's it for this video.